Told you, your boy is going to work hard for you. Like and subscribe. Let's go. Let's go. Stock exhaust sounds pretty good. The reason to upgrade, well, it's going to be a lot louder, that's for sure. But you're going to go from 2.5 inches to 3 inches. Your mid pipe, instead of having 2, you're going to have 1, and it's just going to be totally more aggressive. We got the 2022 M4 competition, and we got the Valvetronic Stainless Steel Catback. This is one of the more popular systems, and they have the titanium. And they got the catback. The difference was like $2,000 and about 30 pounds. So both systems are gonna sound good, but be careful you don't cut yourself. I just cut myself. But, so let's see what we got. All right, here we go. Valvetronic. They got a mid pipe that you can put on too, instead of doing the whole catback. And they got these modules you can go on to get your valve to open up all the way. And they got the full catback. So a couple different options they have, which is pretty cool. Because the factory valves don't open all the way, so you put that module in there to get it to open all the way. Then they have the mid pipe that allows you to cut that section out and keep your stock, your OEM exhaust. 2 boxes with the tips. Got the nice Valvetronic logo on there. You got the control module box, cables in there. These are gonna plug right into the back trunk. Got these awesome keys. It's like the Kona said. It's like the Kona said. Actually, this is what it came from. The Kona said it looks just like this. That key, that design. Antenna that holds up the mid pipe. I think this is at least half. Yeah, buddy. That's it. That's what you got right there. And you got letters on here. A, B, C, B, C hooked up to there. Actually, I'm wrong. These clamps go here. All right. Then you have E to E, D to D, I, L, K, F out the back. Doesn't get much easier than that. So, all right. Oh, and this plate goes in the middle somewhere. I don't know where we're jacking the cover to figure it out. So, right. I am your BMW M addict. Addicted. What's it say?
I'm addicted.
And chasing RPMs. Like and subscribe. Come on, help me out. I want to provide good content for you guys. Right. So, all right. Let's get this on the car. Yeah, so if you're wondering why I'm just sitting here, well, it was actually pretty difficult. And we had the car up about 2 feet.
Going back and forth under the car, getting different tools, wasn't that easy. I tried my best to get some video for you guys, so here we go.
Perfect. If it's not perfect, it won't work. It's got to be perfect. If it's not perfect, it won't work. It's gotta be perfect. If it's not perfect, it won't work. That's not perfect. I gotta back off.